BetterUp Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. BetterUp is more than a coaching platform. You won't believe how it combines professional development, mental health support, and personalized coaching in one package. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just another online course. The surprising truth is BetterUp offers tailored coaching programs that adapt to your goals, career level, and personal growth needs. Pricing depends on the program and subscription length. Individual coaching plans typically start around per month, while enterprise solutions vary depending on the number of employees and features. You won't believe the range of support included: personalized one-on-one coaching, mental fitness exercises, progress tracking, and access to a library of learning resources. Some plans also include team coaching sessions or advanced analytics for tracking ROI. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on monthly costs. The real value comes from measurable improvements in leadership skills, productivity, and overall well-being. For example, users often report better work-life balance and stronger communication skills, which can translate into promotions or higher performance reviews, benefits that far outweigh the subscription cost. In conclusion, BetterUp pricing reflects a premium, personalized coaching experience. By understanding the subscription tiers, session frequency, and included resources, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether the platform delivers tangible value for your professional and personal growth. It's an investment in yourself that pays off in real-world results.